Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Did you know that citrus trees can be a productive part of your landscape or container garden? Most kinds of citrus flourish in areas with warm to hot summers and mild winters. All citrus can be damaged at a few degrees below freezing. Young citrus are especially cold sensitive and should be protected from freezing temperatures for the first few winters. As the plants grow older, they will become more acclimated to the cold and need less protection. When planting in the ground, look for the most sheltered areas to put citrus. The warmest part of any garden, and the one offering the most frost protection, is usually the area beside a south-facing wall with an overhang. Dwarf citrus varieties make excellent container plants for the yard, patio, or even indoors. You can more easily move them into sheltered areas during freezing periods. If extreme cold weather is forecast, they should be wrapped with burlap or other protective materials, or build a frame structure around them that can be covered. When planting either in containers or in the ground, make sure the soil drains properly. Citrus do not like to be kept too wet, so if in a container, make sure the water drains all the way through the pot and then empty the drainage saucer when done. If it is in the ground, make sure the water can penetrate through the root zone and not sit too long on the roots. They need a good deep soaking when they are watered, but then allowed to dry out slightly on the surface between watering. Wrap or paint the trunks if they are exposed to the hot afternoon sun. With our heavy winds, many times flowers can be blown off before they have a chance to set fruit. If citrus are watered too heavily or fertilized during periods of fruit set, this can also cause a dropping of flowers or young fruit before they set properly. Use Dr. Q's citrus fertilizer in February, May, and September. Try our new Dr. Q's 100% organic citrus food that's OMRI listed for organic gardening. For more information on citrus, check out our Star Notes number 510 at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, although we will be temporarily suspending our house call service, Joey Lynn and I will be available to help you via phone and email.
Email us at housecalls@starnursery.com or call 702-771-7827. Leave a message and one of us will call you back.
I'm Dr. Q.
And I'm his assistant, Joey Lynn.
Be safe out there, and we'll see you again next week.